This is the tutorial on the WIZZsoft Vault. The Vault is a collaborative system for secure archiving. In other words, the Vault is similar to a library. It allows the user to load, view, and edit files that are part of the Vault. The WIZZsoft Vault allows you to archive any file type. These files can be text documents, images, photos, audio or video, and even executable files. The Vault offers you the flexibility to decide if you want to keep a copy of your document on your hard drive or if you want it to be deleted from your computer once you have stored it in the Vault. The removal of a document from your hard drive is not configured by default, and if you want to enable this feature, you can do so from Profile Preferences menu. At that time, the window opens and you must select the Options tab. In the drop-down list of options, simply tick the box Remove the original document after archiving. You must then click the Apply button, so all the documents you upload to the Vault from your computer will then be deleted from your hard drive, but available in the Vault. If you wish to change this option, you can do it at any time by simply returning to this screen and unchecking the option and pressing the Apply button. Now let's see the Vault tab, which offers three menus. The Archives menu leads you to all the files that are stored in the Vault. The second menu, My Loan, takes you to the list of files that are archived, but that you have temporarily borrowed to make changes in. And the third menu, Add Archive, such as its name suggests, is the option to choose when you want to load a file into the Vault. We will address each of the menus in more detail. Let's start with the procedure to add a new archive in the Vault. You can add an archive by selecting Add Archive, but also from the Window shortcut by clicking on the button New Archive. A window opens and you must select the project file or the client that is related to this archive. You can also create categories for classification purposes and assign an archive number in the To box if you wish. We highly recommend that you select a level of security for the document you want to archive. You may do so by using the drop-down menu that provides you three choices. These three choices are hierarchical levels. It means that the administrator can always see the files of the three levels, while level A can access files of level A or B, and that level B can access the files of level B only. Note that the different levels of authority are defined by the administrator in selecting the Profile tab and the Authority Levels menu. Then, you must locate the file you want to load in the WIZZsoft Vault. To do this, we use the Get button. You select your file and you double-click it to load it into WIZZsoft. When the file is loaded, you'll see its name appear here. Then you need a title for this file. This is the title that will be used to search the document in the archives and ensures that everything is well ordered. Note that you can also fill the title before loading the archive rather than after. The last important step to validate everything is to click the OK button at the bottom of the window. Once completed, you will find a new blank window ready to create a new archive. Now we move to the Archives menu, which allows you to access the Vault and the documents it contains. To access this function, you must go to the Vault tab in the main menu and select the Archives. A new window will open with all records that are part of your database. At the same time, you can see that the document we have just loaded is now part of the Vault. You have several options to view the list of archived documents. You can sort them by using the Sort button, or you can do a search from the Search button. Moreover, it is possible to perform an advanced search by pressing the Advanced Search. Finally, if you want to print the list of archives, you may do so by clicking the Print button. Note that if your Vault contains a large number of documents, the search window will automatically open instead of the Archive List window. If you want to see the complete list of archives, you may simply enter an @ symbol in the Client field. Now, when a file is archived, you have a few options available to you. As mentioned earlier, you can view, modify, or update a file. For example, here, if we want to see the document, I double-clicked on it and the window will open. I press the View button and the document is now displayed on the screen. Note that WIZZsoft will automatically identify the application required to open this document and will then allow you to view it. When you are in the document viewing mode, the document is also available for other users who can view or modify it. Although, if you want to edit the document, you need to select it from the window and press the Modify button. At that time, you need to choose a directory to upload the document and make the desired changes. You must then press the OK button to confirm everything. From that moment, the document is only accessible to other users for viewing purposes. This is because you have borrowed the document to make changes, and the WIZZsoft system prevents other users from making changes at the same time as you are. Now let me show you the third option of the Vault tab, My Loans. By selecting this, you will get the complete list of documents that are currently borrowed by yourself. You also see that the document we have previously uploaded for editing is recorded as borrowed. In addition, this window features a display filter at the bottom to allow you to see the loans by users. It should be noted that when a user borrows a temporary file in order to make changes, this file is available to other users for viewing only. So if a user tries to edit the document, a window will appear to inform that user that the document is borrowed by another user. Finally, I will show you how to upload a document to the Vault following the changes that you have made. To do this, you simply go to My Loans, double-click on the document, then choose Update, and then click the OK button. At this point, we can see that this document is no longer part of your list of items borrowed, since we have archived it. It is now available for viewing or editing by another user. It is important to note that if you do not want to overwrite the earlier version of the document in the Vault, you must rename the file you wish to update in your archived folder. At that time, the two files will be archived. This now completes the tutorial on the Vault of WIZZsoft.